became New Zealand's first marine reserve. One of the most unbelievable places on Earth weren't found in fantasy films or digital art, but in the real world, waiting for travelers brave enough to witness them. Across the planet, there exist destinations so extraordinary, so visually stunning, or physically daring, that they what humans believe is possible. In China, the sky ladder rises vertically against a cliff face, challenging fearless climbers to ascend a swaying rope staircase that seems to vanish into the clouds. Meanwhile, in the Netherlands, Keukenhof bursts open each spring in an explosion of colour, millions of tulips arranged in sweeping patterns so vibrant and precise they look like living paintings crafted by nature itself.